Hey guys, this is DESHANTA B, and I'm coming in with a little update. Guys, the production has already started for my Mumbo Sauce, but I wanted to give a disclaimer. My Mumbo Sauce is in no way, shape, form, or fashion like the originators and the original Mumbo Sauce. I cannot compete with them, nor will I try. I have too much respect for them. But however, this is my Mumbo Sauce, my way. And it is made from scratch. I cooked this Mumbo Sauce for about 6 to 8 hours in the crock pot. And guys, if you like it sweet, if you like it thick, this is the Mumbo Sauce for you. And it also has a good heat kick. So guys, as soon as I figure out how I'm going to set up the application so that I can start taking orders, just remember, I've been working on this for 2 years and now it's the time. So save your nickels and dimes and quarters so that you can support DESHANTA B's Mumbo Sauce my way. You know what time it is. Stop playing. And until the next update, bye guys.